Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a really simple and quick mileage adjustment in a Jaguar vehicle. We're going to be using the Xtool X100 Pro 2 kit. This is available by clicking the link below this video, and also I'll put the link in the description in the comments box below. So you probably noticed that we're not in a Jaguar right now, and the simple reason is because I just don't have one to hand. But the process I'm going to show you with this tool is exactly the same as it would be in this vehicle. So you can take it from me that it will work on a Jaguar, and it will work exactly the same as I'm showing you in this video. It's all done via the diagnostic port, the OBD2 port. So we have the tool here, which is the cable is plugged in to the bottom of it, and the other end of this cable is plugged into the diagnostic port underneath here. And then with the screen lit up, we just need to go and onto the dashboard option. So click OK to that, and then go through the process of selecting your vehicle. So in your case, obviously you're going to select Jaguar, which is right there, but we're not in a Jaguar. We're in a Porsche right now, so that's what I need to select, but you would be obviously selecting your vehicle. So Cayenne 20. So the first option, click on the first option, backup and mileage. What you can do is back up a file. So say for example you wanted to save the current file, which has the correct mileage on. So if you were to make a mistake, you could always revert back to the original mileage from when you started. I've already done that, which is this file here, 01.bin. So what I really need to do is just click backup out of this, and it'll give me a quick message, fail to save the file, but that's absolutely fine because I've already got it saved. And it takes us straight into the page where we can now start changing the mileage. So I'm going to click the down button, and it takes me to an option where I can just simply change it. So I'm going to be really cheeky with this car, and I'm going to say, well, I only want the mileage to be 20,500. Obviously that's a way back to what it is, but that, you know, that just demonstrates what you can actually do with the tool. So we're going to click OK to that. 20,500. Everything will probably drop off on the screen. I'll come back on. And then if we go to the odometer, you can see now we have a mileage of 20,480. So it's not going to get it exact, it'll probably get it within about 20 to 30 miles. In this case it's giving us within 20 miles, which is really good, I suppose. You could play around with the numbers, you could go in and do it again if you wanted to try and get it exact. You know, you could do it a few different times until you got it exactly where you want it to be. But now what I'm going to show you is just the recovery process, and it's really simple. Just keep clicking OK on your recovery file, and it'll recover it to exactly what it was originally. Recovery successful. We have got a few warnings on here. These are completely unrelated. This relates to a faulty ABS sensor that we've got. We're just waiting for a new part. But that's the Xtool X100 Pro 2 kit, and you can see I've done a mileage correction and a recovery in under 3 minutes there. So I could do it a lot quicker if I wasn't talking to you guys as well. So it just shows you how quick and simple and easy it is. This is to do with this tool. Now, yeah, as I say, the tool is available at just by clicking the link below this video, and I'll also put the link in the comments box below. And it's a really useful tool to have if you're working in the trade, if you're a garage, a mechanic, a mobile mechanic, and you want to add this sort of level of service to your services offered. So thanks for watching this car tech video, and I hope it helps.